Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can buy stuff on Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and your official website will be opened right in front of you. So in order to buy stuff, you can just scroll down and choose the stuff that you want to buy. Just click on the stuff that you currently want to buy, and you can just click on the stuff once more, and you just have to provide them the verification. And when the verification is successful, now you can just add them to the cart. Just click on that or go to the cart, and when you're inside the cart, you can just go and check out. That is on the right hand side. Just click on the checkout button, and you just need to enter your country or region, your first name, your last name, and your phone number, and you just need to continue with payment when you have entered all those instructions. And when you have entered all those instructions, just click on the continue to payment button, and you just need to add your payment method. And when you have done all that, you will be able to buy stuff on Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.